Hi everybody, welcome back to Taylor Storytime. I'm Miss Taylor. I'm so excited about today's read aloud. We are going to be reading Tiana's Garden Grows. I think you all are really going to love this story, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Tiana's Garden Grows. Tiana wants to make a new meal. It is called jambalaya. She needs ghost peppers. But ghost peppers are from India. Tiana writes a letter to a farm in India. She asks for some seeds for the peppers. A few weeks later, Naveen brings Tiana a letter. The seeds from the farm arrived. It is time to learn how to grow them. She will need a garden. Tiana goes to the market. She buys special gloves for gardening. She cleans the roof of Tiana's palace. It is a perfect place for the garden. Tiana pours dirt into a pot. Next, she puts in the seeds. Then she waters the dirt. Now she must wait. The peppers will grow soon. Tiana is excited to see them. She plants other seeds. Naveen wants to grow something too. He asks Tiana how seeds become vegetables. Tiana shows him. She cuts open a cucumber and pulls out the seeds. She cleans the seeds. They are ready to plant. Now Louis wants to grow vegetables. He plants radishes. They grow and grow and grow. Charlotte wants to grow flowers. She does not want to get dirty. Tiana shows her what to do. They plant pretty flowers together. There are pots all over the rooftop. The garden has many vegetables. That night, Tiana makes everyone jambalaya. It is the perfect summer dinner. The end. Thank you all so much for joining. If you enjoyed this story, please give this video a like, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time.